Today we're diving into a game-changing strategy that can supercharge your lead generation on Facebook. If you've ever wondered why your leads seem to fall through the cracks or vanish into the abyss, then stick around because I've got that missing link. I'm talking about the power of instant forms through Facebook ads. By the end of this video, you will understand them more and have an arsenal in your tool belt so you can supercharge that lead generation and have more leads coming in every single day through your Facebook ads. Forget the days of clients waiting to fill out lengthy forms. We're in the age of instant gratification, and your leads are no exception. In the next few minutes, I'll unveil the secret behind Facebook's instant forms to not only capture those leads, but turn them into raving fans and clients of the future. Hey, I'm Shawn Bell, and I'm a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtor's Blueprint, which helps realtors to generate never-ending leads through Facebook ads and have those leads nurtured on autopilot. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads and years upon years researching and trying different Facebook ads, and I can tell you, the one proven thing that always works and gets us the best results is Facebook's instant forms. So what the heck is an instant form? Well, basically when you're going to set up a Facebook ad, you're going to be given 6 objectives when you set up that ad. And the one we're going to select is leads. Because what most people think of when they're running a Facebook ad is, oh, I'll make this post and then from that post, I'll click that blue boost button. Doesn't work the way that we want it to. Yes, that's going to get more eyeballs on your ad, but it's not going to have that call to action where it's having people input their information in order to get something in return. Therefore, a lot more people are going to see your ad, but you might not be getting any leads out of it. So this is why you need to go through the back end, click on Ads Manager to set up an actual ad and not just make a post and click on that blue boost button. Then from there, as you select leads, Facebook's going to get you to select other things. There's a special ad category, which I talked about in a prior video, where you need to have that checked off if you're running any ads related to housing. But eventually you get down the line and it says, okay, how do you want to convert these leads? And it's going to give you a bunch of different options. They can view your website. It can start Messenger with you. But the big one that you want to select is instant form. And what that is doing is when people come to your ad and if you're offering something up, which I recommend you do, I talk about this in other videos where I get nonstop leads through offering list of homes. You could also do it with a free guide. But in order for people to get that list, they need to give us their name, their phone number, and their email address. And the way they do that is through submitting an instant form on the Facebook ad. Therefore, if you select that, once your ad is up and running, people click on your ad and they have to put in that information until they get the link of the list of homes that you promised. This is the way that we generate non-stop leads. Therefore, you're giving something of value, but in order for them to get that, they have to give you their contact information in return. And then it is a win-win for everybody. They're getting the list that was promised, you're getting the contact information, and now from there, obviously, and you can watch prior videos I've done on this, you need to have a system to be able to follow up with them. But the main important part to get them to there, where you actually have them as a contact, is where they're filling out that instant form. If you do other things like visit website or anything like that, we just found there's more of a drop-off and you don't really get the contact information. Sometimes people were uneasy going into Messenger and having to type out a message and answer some strange questions. The easiest for them was, hey, I just need to fill in my information and that way I get the information right away. This way you get the most amount of leads as possible. So you have any other questions about instant forms, why you should use them, what they're about, how you get to them, or how you run an actual Facebook ad, comment below, let me know. Happy to guide you through anything. And aside from that, if you're wanting some ad ideas where you can actually use this instant form and get some leads coming in the door right away, then you're going to want to comment as well with free guide, and comment with free guide below. And I will send you a copy of my free guide of my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. If you're looking for more help with Facebook ads, you need a partnership, you need a platform, you need something to keep control of all this, make sure to check out the description below. In there, I have a link and it'll take you to a site. You can book a call with me, talk about a partnership, and from there, I can assess your needs, see what's gonna work best for you. And I do have a platform that's going to make it super simple to run these ads. You don't have to worry about selecting the instant form. It is all built in there for you. All you have to do is select some of my proven templates. And from there, you're ready to go. You're going to have leads coming into the system. It's going to automatically nurture those leads for you. And this way, you're only going to be talking to the most interested people, and you don't have to spend all those hours of the day doing any follow-up. That's it for today. If this video was beneficial, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button for any future videos that I do on Facebook ads. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment, let me know. Always happy to offer any free advice I can. Take care and have a great day.